All right, hello, Aiden. This is an answer for your question here about the double versus int arithmetic. The trick is that if you type it this way, it's going to treat it as ints because they're not decimals. So if you're ever unsure, like I kind of just make like a little test program, right? And I took the last case, 2 divided by 5 plus 1, and run it, and you can see it gives 1. So it's treating these as integers. And basically, if you wanted to treat it as decimals, use decimals. So basically, just do like 2.0, 5.0, and 1.0, and now it'll force it to do doubles. And then this should be whatever, 1.4, whatever the heck that is, right? So the way it is currently, it's going to treat all of these as integers. And if you want decimals, put a .0 on the end. All right. So hopefully that clears that up. Thanks for asking the question. I'm glad to have you in the class, and keep reaching out if anything else comes up. Have a good day.